everybody. I know it's been a minute since I last did a makeup tutorial, and I'm just gonna jump right into it. And of course I'm just gonna make this eye look the same as the other one, and I'm starting off by priming my eyelid with the Kryolan Supracolor concealer, and this one is in a shade called FS22, and it happens to be one of the brightest, lightest concealers that I own. As you can see, it's pretty whitish, so I'm just making sure that I pack it all in there very well using my my Bobbi Brown concealer brush, and then just to blend it out evenly, I'm just going in with the tip of my fingers and smoothing it out evenly. And then next we're gonna jump into this beautiful, gorgeous kind of like I think it's like a teal-ish blue eyeshadow, and this one is from Milani, and of course it's called Atlantis. So I'm starting off by packing it on the upper area of my eyelid, because as you know, this is gonna be like a cut crease look, so we're gonna try and concentrate it in those areas that we really need it. And then after that, I just made sure that I clean up the rest of that eyelid area where we're gonna be placing our next eyeshadow shades. And of course, after that, I went back in with the very same concealer that we used to prime our eyelid, the whole entire eyelid previously. And as you can see here, I am basically taking my time, you guys. I'm gonna take my time when it comes to cutting this crease, because one little smudge of that concealer can ruin the whole entire look, and there's no way of going back and trying to fixing it. So you'd rather have to go back and basically start all over again, and we don't want to do that. So a little bit of patience goes a long way. And of course, once I was done cutting that crease area, I went in with the Nicka K New York HD eyeshadow, and I love this yellow, you guys. It's so beautiful and it's pigmented, and wow, I've got no words of how beautiful this yellow shadow is. Then I'm going in with the Kiko Milani eyeshadow, and of course it's like a brownish shade, and I just packed it on top of that yellow, and baby, I was satisfied with that, because basically I was trying to get that, you know, that look like when you're standing at the beach and like the sun is setting. Well, that was kind of like the inspo behind this eyeshadow look. And then afterwards I went in with the very same concealer, hey, and I basically applied it the same way that I would apply a liquid liner or like a wing liner. Basically I used that because this is gonna act sort of like our what do you call it, glue or adhesive rather, for our glitter, which is gonna be coming up next. So now I'm going in with this fine greenish or bright green glitter, and basically I just got this from my beauty supply store near me, and I'm just packing it on top of that concealer. Then next I'm going in with this gorgeous bluish chunky glitter, and I'm just gonna apply it randomly. I don't want it to be perfect. I'm just gonna apply it on top of that fine glitter just to enhance the look a little bit. Then a touch of mascara on my lashes so my lashes can adhere or blend in properly with forces. Then next I'm going in with the Essence Very Black liquid liner, and of course after that, just on top of that, I'm gonna be going in with this Essence Electric Blue pen eyeliner pen, whatever. Then of course I'm going in with this serum, as it really helps during this season of winter when it's really cold and I hate it. So basically I'm going in with the Dr. Rochelle Vitamin C 3-in-1 serum, and I'm applying this before applying any other product, just so everything can come together and also to protect my skin. And then next I'm going in with the one and only Born to Glow foundation from NYX, and going in with that damp beauty blender, just so my foundation can be distributed evenly and blend it in accordingly. So making sure that I also apply it on my forehead, so we don't want to look like we're wearing a mask. And of course, I'm going in with one of these new products. I decided to try it out today, and of course I'm going in with the LA Girl Velvet Contour Stick Blush, and this one is in a shade called Plume, and I'm applying it just on the apple of my cheeks. Of course, that's where it's supposed to go, and I just love how subtle it is. It is not a screaming bright pink, nor is it too little. It is just enough to bring some color back into your face, and that's all you need. So that was basically it for the blush. As you can see, you can hardly see it, but it is there, like it's just there, like just perfect. Then I'm going in with the LA Girl banana yellow powder, and I'm basically just giving my face just a slight contour, and that's it. Once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna remove the excess powder. And then this is a part where I was multitasking and I totally lost track of what I was supposed to do next, but nevertheless I just went ahead and contoured my nose slightly as well. And then next I'm just going in with that highlighter, and this one is a Fenty beauty highlighter, basically a killawatt foil freestyle highlighter, and this one is in a shade called Sandcastle. So I made sure I applied it on the tip of my nose as well as the bridge of my nose, and just on my nostril area, as well as on my cupid's bow, and on the just above that blush, as well as the inner corner of my eyes, just to help those areas to stand out a little bit more as I wanted it to. And once again, I got a little bit carried away with this highlighter, and I forgot that a little goes a long way. So off camera, I tried to reduce some of it because it was a bit too intense. So here I'm actually just applying a little bit of the chunky glitter, and then to finish up the look, I'm going in with this liquid lipstick from Meet Matte Hughes, and this one is in a shade called Charming, which is sort of like a burgundy and a brownish shade, and I just love the dark colors. Dark colors on the lips always look good to me, or for me. So, and then next we're going in with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb lip gloss, and this one is in a shade called Hot Chocolate. And I just love the fact that this product is actually cruelty free, hands down to that. And basically that's it for this makeup look. I certainly hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And until next time, bye bye.